Suchana Seth, the accused in the tragic death of a 4-year-old son, was compelled by authorities to face her estranged husband during a tense encounter on Saturday. The couple, entangled in a bitter divorce and domestic violence dispute, engaged in a 15-minute confrontation at a Goa police station. This brief meeting evolved into a heated blame game and verbal altercation. Venkat, the estranged husband who was overseas when the alleged murder occurred in a service apartment in Goa, suggested that the child might have expressed a desire to see his father. He speculated that this could have triggered Suchana's actions, leading her to fatally harm their son in a fit of rage. As the divorce proceedings reached their conclusion, the father found himself subject to limitations regarding interaction with their son. A restraining order dated August 18, 2022, explicitly barred him from entering Suchana Seth's residence or communicating with her son through any means, including phone calls. Despite this, the father reportedly retained weekly visitation rights to see his son, a provision that appeared to cause dissatisfaction on Suchana Seth's part, according to sources. Adding to the complexity of the legal battle, Suchana Seth filed a domestic violence case against Venkat, alleging physical abuse. Venkat, however, contested these accusations in court, firmly denying any wrongdoing. Despite a court order, Suchana Seth refrained from allowing Venkat to meet their child, with the last encounter taking place on December 10. The brief confrontation between the estranged couple on Saturday turned into a blame game, each accusing the other for the tragic events that unfolded. When questioned about the alleged murder of their child, Suchana Seth maintained she had no knowledge of the circumstances surrounding their son's death. Her account during the confrontation mirrored the statements she had previously provided to the police, asserting that she fell asleep while the child was alive, only to discover him dead upon waking. Venkat informed authorities that Suchana Seth had invited him to meet the child on January 7. Despite waiting at the agreed-upon location, neither Suchana nor the child appeared. Subsequent attempts to reach her were met with silence. Venkat's lawyer explained that in messages and emails, Venkat had inquired about their well-being, receiving no response from Suchana. This marked the first face-to-face encounter between Suchana Seth and her husband Venkat Raghavan since the tragic incident occurred, adding a new layer of complexity to an already tumultuous situation. The couple got married in 2010 in Kolkata, and their son, now deceased, was born in August 2019. Court documents, as accessed by India Today, revealed that Suchana Seth had filed a domestic violence case against Venkat Raman PR in August 2022. Suchana Seth was arrested on Tuesday while she was en route to Bengaluru from Goa. A Goa court sent her to 6-day police custody after her arrest. A detailed probe into the chilling murder case is underway.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.